Summer camp season for Week 15, an unforgettable camping party. Week 15 of summer camp season 4 brought an exciting outdoor adventure for our baby Shark Tank children with the theme an unforgettable camping party. The children became little explorers as they ventured into a nature-inspired forest setting, collected small branches for the campfire activity, and discovered the beauty of the outdoors through hands-on experiences. Shamy enthusiastically explored the campsite, carefully observing trees and nature while helping gather small sticks for the campfire preparation. Ruby enjoyed overcoming outdoor challenges, exploring new areas, and encouraging friends throughout the adventure. Masy happily helped prepare the picnic area, arranging snacks and picnic mats for the afternoon together. Masy excitedly joined the camp sing-along activities, sharing songs and creating joyful memories with friends. As the afternoon continued, the baby Shark Tank children gathered around a campfire-themed activity area, listened to stories, sang favorite songs together, and enjoyed warm moments of friendship and connection. During the afternoon tea party, the children enjoyed delicious snacks, cakes, and refreshing drinks while sharing laughter and conversations with classmates. Through this outdoor camping experience, the children developed life skills, teamwork, confidence, observation skills, and a deeper appreciation for nature while creating meaningful summer memories. What makes the camping adventure truly unforgettable? Wonderful friends, cheerful songs, exciting group activities, and meaningful moments shared together create memories that last a lifetime. Have you ever enjoyed a memorable camping trip with your family? Comment below and let Baby Shark know. Only at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool. Our children are proudly called the Baby Shark Tank. Let the baby come, cause the Kingdom of Baby Shark Preschool belongs to them. Hashtag Man on the Beach, hashtag Baby Shark Preschool, hashtag Summer Camp Season for hashtag Week 15, hashtag Camping Party, hashtag Outdoor Adventure, hashtag Nature Exploration, hashtag Tea Party, hashtag Fun Learning, hashtag Baby Shark.